welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, we are going to talk about Phlur, okay? And we have to talk about Miss Popular. Miss Popular in the fragrance streets, okay? But she is a body mist, a hair body mist, right? A hair and fragrance body mist, okay? And that is heavy cream, okay? Have you gotten your hands on this? We gonna get into it, okay? I want to know your thoughts down below, but I'm definitely gonna give you mine, okay? Let's get into it. So I was able to test this out, and I was wondering, like, what are all the girlies talking about, okay? This heavy cream, it was sold out, and then I think it was on Sharita M's post. She was like, it's back in stock. I clicked on her link, and I purchased it because I'm like, back in stock? I thought it just got here. It was one of them. I thought we just got here. I thought heavy cream just came in the picture, but she was gone, and then she came back. Man, y'all was on this. Okay, so this is a gourmand scent, and the notes on here, we have lemon sugar, we have marshmallow orange. Heart notes, we have jasmine blossom, we have coconut cream, and we have vegan ambretolide. What's that? What that mean? Somebody tell me down below. The professionals, tell me, what is ambretolide? What's that? Anyway, base notes, we have vanilla, mousse, or am I supposed to be the professional? I'm supposed to be the professional? Okay. Well, I guess you're supposed to ask me. I was supposed to look that up before I got on here. Next time. Okay, so then we have vanilla mousse, we have salted caramel, and we have whipped cream. Doesn't that sound good? Girl, that sounds good, okay? So, I tested this out, and I wore them. And I wore it on my body. We just washed the sprayer. And have the sprayer spray this way. Ooh, baby. Anyway, tested on my body. Didn't put it on my hair until I just put it on my face. But this is a beautiful fragrance. I will have to say this is a beautiful body mist. This reminds me, okay, and I know you're like, oh sis, and I know somebody about to come for me in them fragrance streets, okay? Just don't come for me. It's me, okay? I mean well. I really do. But this gave me not a dupe, okay? But a great pairing. So I will say that to Blanche Bet, a Liquid's Imaginaire. When I tell you, I paired both of these, and let's just say, if Blanche Bet, you were looking for like a little bit of a lemon, a little more brightness, you know, not as heavy in the lip tonic field, but you wanted a little brightness, you're gonna put this with this because this was scrumptious. And it lasts all day with the scrumptious, and that lemon peeks through. It's not like a sharp, hard lemon. It's a creamy lemon that fits so well with this. This is a great pairing. Hear me now. It was beautiful, and I enjoyed every inch of this smell, okay? So she go bad with her. So every time I wear this, I feel like I'm gonna have to wear this because she showed out. Now this pairing, this might be my fall, winter girl, okay? She is gonna go with me because I'm gonna wear this again and again and again and again. So if you have both of these in your collection, try it out because when I tell you that lemon, it was almost like a lemon cream cake pie, okay? And I know you're saying like, sis, but what does it smell like sitting alone? I really got a very good gourmand. I did get like the the salty caramel in this. I got the lemon sugar, so I got the lemon piece of it. I got also like the marshmallow, the creaminess of it all. And I also smelled so well the coconut. Now the coconut is not as, I would say, prominent of the lemon, but the lemon, and you all know lemon can be sharp, but this one, because maybe that marshmallow, it did like this. It feels so good together. That's what I was trying to say. It feels so good together. Now, sis, how you get this in the, just go with it. Okay, just go with it. It's okay. Go with it. But this, beautiful. Okay, I would actually, this is the smaller of the bottles. I would absolutely purchase a bigger bottle. Amazing. I would highly recommend, if you haven't gotten your hands on it, get it, sis, because even this alone would be good, but this pairing was magic. Okay, this is already outstanding alone, but putting like a lemon cream pie. Let's move on. Okay, moving on. Next up, I was able to get a sample that came with my package from Phlur. Now, I have always wanted this fragrance. I hear so many content creators talk about this fragrance, and I was so interested, always have been interested. But I said, you know what? Let me get it, but let me wait for my family in order for me to test and give you all my first impression, okay? We know how I did. I'm gonna give you the real. But this is strawberry leather. And I know a lot of content creators have raved about this. I really haven't heard anybody say something bad about this. Not that I remember, not that I recall. Now, if they have, cool. But not that I recall, have I remembered someone saying something bad about this fragrance. But I was very interested in smelling this and absolutely smelling this with my family. Okay, so here we go. Let me give you my thoughts. And then, I don't know if I can look up does the packaging have the, oh, it does. Oh, I didn't want to look at that yet, but I did look at it. But let's see. Let's see what I get anyway. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Wow, okay, I'm gonna try it on my skin. But at first sniff, on paper, it definitely gives me like this lipsticky type of smell. I smell it from here too. Like very, almost artificial, I don't know. But definitely lipsticky, like that strawberry. Like, gives me like an artificial lipsticky type of strawberry. But it's good. Now I will say, getting a full bottle of this, I'm not sure. Like, if it was gifted to me, I absolutely would enjoy this. But me purchasing this out of my own coins, I only say that because I have Minnie Mouse in the strawberry raspberry one, the cream one that is amazing. And I feel like that one kind of gives me remnants, but I feel like my Minnie Mouse is much better than the strawberry letter. But I do like the strawberry letter. I don't have a problem with it. But I don't know, that lipsticky type of fragrance is giving me, it's like okay. I don't mind it, but it's giving me okayness. Do you all have this? What are your thoughts? I'm also getting a little fizziness. I'm getting a little fizzy strawberry, artificial strawberry, lipsticky strawberry. That's what I'm getting. Okay, what is this? Okay, let me see what the notes. Let's go there. So the notes, we have cassock sleeves. We have strawberry garrigot, I believe. Plum nectar. Heart notes, we have lily, red poppy. We have apple blossom. Base note, we have earthy woods. Interesting. Tonka bean and sugared amber. Interesting. Earthy? Woods? I ain't getting no earthy woods. And you know I don't like, not that I don't like the earth, but I don't like earthy scent or scent notes. Like, gives me like dirt sometimes. But in this one, no. It's not a dirty. Interesting. I get more of the strawberry. I get a lipsticky. What else did it say it had in it? Apple? Maybe the fizziness is the apple? I don't know. I'm getting the fizziness. I'm not getting woods. Interesting. Okay. This is okay. This is not me running out. I'm glad I got to test this. This is not me running out and getting strawberry leather. Especially since I have the Minnie Mouse and I absolutely adore that fragrance. Okay? Interesting. But all that to say, sis, what you got to say? Okay, I got something to say. Okay. I'm going to go left and then we going to close out, right? But I got to talk to y'all. Okay? Just got to talk to my family. So, have you ever been in Walmart? You like, yes, sis. We've been in the Walmart. Okay. Some of y'all might not have been in Walmart. But if you've been to Walmart, okay, particularly when you're at the checkout, like self-checkout line, okay, I want you to just kind of gaze the room, okay? Like, just look. And I bet you're going to see about 2 to 3 kids doing like this. Like, they're gonna be doing them TikTok dances, okay? Come here. They're gonna be doing them TikTok dances, okay? I was just doing it, and then Miss TikToker herself, she not on TikTok, but she just came. So what do y'all do? Yeah. You gonna see about 3 to 4 of them doing that at the self-checkout line, right? Including my child, right? They standing in back of me, like, it is amazing. You just stand there, I tell you. Now, should you be concerned? Because they was all doing the same thing. Anyway, should you be concerned? I wouldn't be concerned because they kids, but I would just glance the room because I promise you're going to see about 2, 3 of them. So those are my thoughts. Those are my final thoughts, okay? Let me know. What do you think about Phlur? I don't have vanilla skin. Y'all been talking about that fragrance. Okay? I still have to get caramel. I still have to get that one. That's on my list. I will be getting that, so I'll let you all know my thoughts on that. But this one I had to run and get because Sharita M said it's back in stock. I was like I said in the beginning, confused. Was anybody confused like me? Confused. It just got here. So I had to hurry up and get this because the caramel hasn't been sold out. So I think I'm in the clear. But let me know, have you all tested vanilla skin? How about the caramel one? I think there's like a mango one. Tell me about Phlur. Like, tell me what are your favorites? What are some that maybe I should check out? I should test and try. I would love to know. The strawberry one, I don't think that I'm going to get it unless somebody purchases it for me. Now, I'll put it on my wish list. And if somebody get it for me, I sure will say thank you. Because I am respectful. Okay? And I am going to always say thank you. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.